टैक्स फ्री नो.
एक सेकंड मेरे को मिल नहीं रहा वो पेज ही नहीं मिल रहा है.
Man.
Okay, done. Ready? Rolling. Welcome to episode 1 of Clueless. Gentlemen and ladies, thank you very much for being part of it. Everybody here doesn't need any introduction except for Kumar Varun.
Yeah.
And
So it begins.
so we're here to discuss money. It's a subject that people don't often talk about. And to make this process easier for all of us, the lubricant, if I may, is my friend Gaurang. Gaurang, hello. Gaurang is my friend who works in finance, and Gaurang is extremely good at talking to people about money and making it extremely simple. Okay. So I'm going to begin first by seeing कि class की IQ कितनी खराब है.
Done.
Huh? By asking some general GK questions. KV, I know you have an edge here because generally तुझे सवालों के जवाब पता होते हैं. And also you used to work in finance. So maybe
I
that
used
has
to work
big
in a
part.
bank, but I was in marketing. I was supposed to not know much.
हाँ पर तू IIT क्या था?
नहीं.
नहीं.
वो मैं. Just clarifying.
Okay, got it. Quick questions. All right, true or false?
Yeah.
First question.
Yeah.
Okay. People in debt generally, when given more money, only get into more debt. Is this true or false?
True.
Why do you think it's true?
It's because if you have debt in the first place, you don't know how to manage money.
Boom! Is that the correct answer?
100%.
Yeah.
It depends on the person, right?
I know it depends. I knew it. ये तुमको prove करने की जरूरत नहीं.
Okay,
तो
got
IIT
it. Just saying.
Yeah, obviously there can be specific cases. अगर मेरे पास education loan
Sure.
है, so I am in debt.
Sure, I will defer to Gaurang. Gaurang, why is this true?
And I get more money, I'll pay off that loan, right? But if I am a
you're a smart-
jackass who just keeps overspending on my credit card every month, give me more money, I'll just go and buy an iPhone or something.
Correct.
So it's
The
also
subprime crisis, guys.
Yeah.
I also know finance.
big shot.
But typically this happens, right? When you are getting an education loan, for example, if you take more loan, you're getting more into debt. But if you're paying this after earning income, that's absolutely okay. So paying off your existing debt is absolutely okay. It's important. That's how we actually go through our lives. By home loan,
Right.
car loan, education loan, sometimes a wedding personal loan. But when it comes to paying off a loan from an existing loan, which is what credit card companies do, is completely wrong. It is very expensive and detrimental to literally your living, because you'll always be paying off वो पहले वाला डेट को पे करने के लिए दूसरा डेट लोगे,
Yeah.
फिर दूसरे को पे करने के लिए तीसरा दोगे.
Yeah.
तो लाइफ
तुम लोगों में से कभी किसी ने लोन लिया है किसी चीज का?
Personally, from other people we know, our banks.
You just asked for 500 rupees. That is behind your phone cover. Show your phone cover. No, Urus, please show your phone cover. You
phone
took
is
loans
not
for 500 rupees from me.
I took 500 rupees from Viswaya.
Okay, but from a bank, have you formally ever taken a loan?
No.
You also not taken a loan?
No, I've never needed to. ये मतलब we've never had those kind of expenses. घर नहीं खरीदा, बाहर नहीं गया पढ़ने के लिए. So
Privilege. Okay. Credit cards can only be used to buy things. They cannot be used to obtain cash. True or false?
It's false. You can go to an ATM or whatever and you know
cash.
take cash out of a credit card, but the interest rate on that is too huge, so you shouldn't do that.
How huge is it?
2-3%
2-3%.
a day.
Oh.
It can be different for different people. It could be 2% a month also, depending on what your score looks like. Credit
Got it.
score looks like.
Buying one stock is typically a safer investment than buying 10, not livestock.
Okay, 10 different companies, right?
Yeah, 10 different
different.
companies.
It's false.
no, yeah, buying 10 is better.
It's safer, yeah. Buying 10 is safer.
Buying 10 is safer? Is that-
Buying 10 is safer
I'll go for safer.
It's safer.
because it's the classic case of spreading your
eggs.
risks
Yeah.
and like eggs in.
Well done, class. Well done. Everyone did
But
decently.
also buying one stock in a good company is better than buying 10 stocks in shitty companies.
That's also true.
Yeah, but then there's always risk. The element of risk is always.
It's always there.
Yeah.
What is a good company? You never know if it's a good company tomorrow. Like
Yeah, like
Satyam was a
Tanmay
great
used to be good company. Then he started it.
That is nice.
Anyway, we went from finance to career to philosophy to just a fucking tragedy.
Yeah.
Okay. If your bank gives you 2% interest and the inflation in the country is 1%, it means your buying power will increase.
What?
If the bank gives you 2% interest and the inflation in the country is 1%, it means your buying power will increase.
Just because you say it like this doesn't mean we know what you're saying. It's stupid.
Yeah, your buying power is increasing, yes.
Why do you say so?
Depends on tax also, but because अगर तू 100 रुपया डाला 102 हो रहा है, inflation 101 हो रहा है,
Correct.
so then 1 रुपीज तेरा बच रहा
बच रहा
है,
है।
लेकिन उसमें अगर सरकार कुछ रूल लगा के
हाँ।
वो 1 रुपी तेरा टैक्स में निकाल दिया,
हाँ।
then like right now
Then you are fucked, yeah.
6% is the interest rate, but उसमें 30% टैक्स लगा दो तो inflation is 5%, your interest is 4%.
तू मेरी गांड ही मार ले रहा है। I'm overclocking my brain to keep track.
Isper, what's the answer?
It's true.
It's
His
true.
base logic is correct.
Okay.
All credit cards have an annual fee that you must pay to the credit card company to have a credit card.
True.
No, depends on the card.
They have, but it's mostly waived off for a lot of people.
How is your net worth calculated?
Yeah.
Is it assets minus liabilities? Is it liabilities minus assets? Is it assets plus liabilities? Or is it assets divided by liabilities? I'll give you 30 more seconds. Can you tell her what assets and liabilities?
I know what assets are.
What are assets?
It's things. It's like a house is an asset.
Got it.
But a car is a liability because you have to. Because
Car is a
resale
liability.
value
Car
is
is a liability.
Yeah.
right.
Well, you have
or-
to spend expenses on it.
Yeah.
It's how you look at it, but it also could be an asset when you're about to sell it.
Right.
Correct.
But it depreciates, right?
Yes, yes.
So is it? It's still an asset.
Depreciating asset.
Okay, it's depreciating. So it's an asset.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also,
But doesn't it depend on what you have more?
Liability मतलब तुमने लोन ले लिया, that's a liability.
Liability. So asset minus liability should be your net worth, right?
yeah,
Is that
correct.
correct?
That is correct.
Thank you, everyone.
Depending on where you read, asset could also mean boobs.
Oh, then my net worth
Depends
is
on where
very
the word
good.
is. If you see it on Zoom, it probably means boobs.
High net worth.
Minimum amount you can transfer through RTGS
It's 2 lakhs.
Wow.
How do you know?
Yo brother, daddy works in State Bank.
Okay, cool.
Daddy's Biswa's daddy. Not Biswa.
Not
daddy.
this one.
Okay. What is the income tax rate on your fixed deposit right now? This is a question to everyone. Sumela, I would like you to answer.
Oh my god. Fuck. Income tax rate is the income tax that the government takes from.
Typical engineering vibe. Thermodynamics is thermal.
Dynamic thermals.
I would say 8%.
Is that accurate?
8% on your FDs.
No, interest.
Nobody's asking income
Sorry,
tax.
tax.
Income tax.
Income tax पे कितना अच्छा है? मतलब interest
It depends on your bracket of tax, but
Yeah.
most people in this room would be above the annual income of 15 lakh rupees, I'm hoping. That is my hope. But then it will be taxed at 33%.
33%. That's
Even
a lot.
income tax rate on your fixed deposit
On your fixed deposit, you will have to charge 33% of the interest part,
of the interest.
Yeah.
not of the principal.
Of course.
Oh, not the
So it's just
principal.
treated like additional income, right? And then whichever bracket you are,
It will be charged on that bracket logic. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. How would you explain this to a 5-year-old? What is a mutual fund?
तुम्हारे क्लास में सब लोग को चॉकलेट खाना है, पर तुम्हें पता नहीं कौन सा चॉकलेट अच्छा है. So all of you put 1 rupee each, go with 100 rupees, buy 100 different chocolates, come back. Everybody gets to taste every candy. That's basically mutual funds. You all of you pull in your money, right? And then you buy all the stocks, right? Whatever.
So what it basically means is that somebody else takes your money and spreads it across different stocks and buys little bit of each of them because they are only doing one thing. While you are doing comedy, somebody is only doing understanding out of 3,000 companies which companies to invest in. So it's that person's job to divide the money.
Yeah.
And as time grows, this stock will grow and your money will grow. So mutual fund is a method of a profession where people use that thing to only invest money.
Got
As
it.
simple.
Got it.
Will they give it back to me on time when I need it?
Yes.
Thanks,
But
Dad.
if you exit too fast, there is exit load, and then there is capital gains also on that.
हाँ, capital gains अभी-
fucking कुछ मत करो. तुम जो भी करोगे तुम्हारा गांड ही मर रहा है. मैं बता रहा है, guys, I've tried all this. I lose money every day. साला घर पे रखो तो डिमोनेटाइज हो जाता है. This is bullshit.
It's excerpts from budget 2021.
best reason not to do money thing. Like
Okay,
सब बकवास.
next question.
Yeah.
I want all of you to tell me what your CIBIL score is.
Wow.
Okay.
So it's like, wow, I have a CIBIL score.
I didn't know this.
Do you know what is a CIBIL score?
Sybil, who had many personalities, and they wrote a book about her. Her score was 24.
No, brother.
She had 24 personalities, and I have 3. Well, okay, what is it?
I don't know.
You don't know your
I get an email. I think it's a scam. I get an email every week saying your civil score is this.
Huh.
But it's around.
That's just data
what it
collection
said.
exercise.
700, 800, something like that. It's written, but I don't know what it is.
Do you know what a CIBIL score is?
No, I think a score that determines if you can get loan.
Okay, that's
close.
That's your credit score essentially
credit
to determine if you deserve any credit or not.
So my first thing is, if you get that email, please don't open it.
Yeah.
These are all scam emails. No one can tell you your CIBIL score or which is your credit score without going to the official website. So my suggestion is, there are 4 bureaus, which is called the credit bureau, whose job is to give it. I'm not saying there is something called TransUnion, which is what we know as CIBIL. There is Experian, and there is CRIF, Highmark, and there is one more which I'm forgetting. But please don't open any email, because this is one of the biggest scams that run today.
But also, I have a corollary question. If you take a loan, and you pay it back on time, does your civil score increase from
Yes.
700 to more?
If you pay timely all your installments, एक installment भी time पे नहीं दिया ना,
Yes.
तो तुम्हारा सिबिल स्कोर बहुत ड्रास्टिकली गिरता है.
Yeah. But if you have like education loan, home loan, and you're paying everything on time, your CIBIL score goes up.
With credit cards also same thing?
So credit card, there's another, and now this is a part we were discussing scam, no? मतलब It's very odd. If you shut a credit card, your score drastically goes down. So if you have a credit card, please don't go shut it. Or shut it with a due process where you do it with the right agency. Because क्या होता है, कई लोग आता है कि ले लो, मैं आपको 50,000 रुपए क्रेडिट कार्ड ड्यू है, आप 50,000 रुपए मेरे को दो, आपका कार्ड बंद. कल वो 50,000 रुपए लेके घर जाता है फिर. So he never shuts your card, and then you default because तुम्हें पता लगा कि तुमने बंद कर दिया. So there are some scams that you should be very careful.
Next, who is India's finance minister? One second, no, don't say it.
Okay, yeah. Won't say.
वो 2 मिनट पहले बोला अभी.
Yeah. सुनती नहीं है. Hint, not Manmohan Singh.
It's RSS guys.
It is Amit Shah, minister behind every minister.
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Okay.
All right. Now that we're on Nirmala Sitharaman, what were your 3 biggest takeaways from this year's budget, Sumaira?
No.
Did you watch the budget this year?
No.
Gaurav, should people watch the budget? Should the regular person watch the budget? Is it necessary for them?
It's very important because this is your nation's budget. मतलब this is when they tell you कि मैं यहाँ पे खर्चा करूँगा, यहाँ पे नहीं करूँगा. So it's very important for everyone to watch the budget because it defines your life.
Can you give an example with this year's budget?
So one simple thing that has happened this year is they have reduced deductions. To simplify, अभी 2 टाइप का टैक्स डिडक्शन हो सकता है. एक में you can take deductions or you can basically claim mediclaim, and then you have to pay a higher rate tax.
Yeah.
If you don't take any deductions, then they have reduced the tax rate by 5% approximately per bracket. So hence you don't have to think about anything. So your application on your tax filing, which all of us have to do, we like it or not, we have to file our tax. It's important for nation. If you take mediclaim deduction back, so you ask the government to pay back because I took an insurance, there's a higher rate of tax. There is one option कि मेरे को कोई ये डिडक्शन नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को सिर्फ एक टैक्स रेट बताओ, सिंपल. सो द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज डिफरेंट. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, इन अ ब्रैकेट ऑफ 10 to under 10 lakh rupees, the rate of interest is X, and it's lesser if you don't take any deductions.
Got it.
So deduction is when you ask the government कि मैंने इंश्योरेंस लिया तो कुछ वापस करो
वापस दे. अच्छा नहीं लेगा तो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट
कम है. So this happened for the first time in the country.
ये ऐसा क्यों किया इन्होंने?
Because they wanted to simplify lives of people to file tax. वो file tax करने के लिए 3 दिन लगता है. नॉर्मल आदमी को तो ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा.
अच्छा तो अब तुम पहले डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि मेरे को मेडिक्लेम इसका डिडक्शन वापस लेने के चक्कर में नहीं घुसने का है. मेरे को सीधा बस मेरे को बोल कितना % पे करने का, मैं वो पे करता हूँ.
पे करता हूँ, बिल्कुल.
Got it.
और वो उसका रेट कम है.
तो पीपल हैव अ चॉइस नाउ कि टीडीएस कटवा के ले सैलरी कि नहीं कटवा के ले.
नहीं, टीडीएस तो काटना
अलग है.
पड़ेगा.
TDS तो काटना है.
टीडीएस मींस
अलग है.
टैक्स डिडक्शन एट
source.
सोर्स.
Got it.
मतलब वो काट के देगा, वो सरकार नहीं छोड़ता. वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट
Okay.
है.
Things like insurance, mediclaim, social service के लिए कुछ डाल दिया, या टैक्स सेविंग म्यूचुअल फंड ले लिया, जो डालते हैं वो तुम बोलो कि मैं कुछ नहीं डाले, मेरे को बस कम रेट पे पे कर दूंगा.
Got it.
Yeah, also mutual fund is now taxed at 10%, right? Your mutual fund income, so that is another takeaway.
कितना हुआ?
कितना था?
कितना था?
It was nothing, no? Will you charge?
Then there's different long-term tax they've tried to change.
Okay.
So these are different things that happen in the budget. It's very important to know. जिस तरह तुमको अपना income and expense में पता होना चाहिए ना कि किधर खर्चा किया, वैसे the nation has to give you a report, and it makes a very difference. Cars become more expensive or cheaper, and then you can decide कि इस साल लेने का नहीं लेने का, next year wait करता हूँ जब tax कम करेगा तब. So small decision make a lot of difference.
If you were ever to take a loan, what would be some ways that you could reduce your EMI?
Taking a longer term loan will obviously reduce it per month. Paying a bigger principal upfront will reduce it.
But बीच में also you can decide.
And you can shut
अगर
this
बीच में
thing.
ज़्यादा पैसा आ गया किसी
तो
source
you
से, you
can,
can just be like I'll pay थोड़ा लमसम एक ही बार में.
But उसपे भी
And reduce
they'll
my
charge.
whatever.
कुछ होता है ना exit clause होता है कुछ
Alright.
उसमें भी.
Cool. That's it for GK. Well done, guys.
Well, GK.
Not so terribly.
Well, GK.
GK is good Simran, come on.
Simran, do you think you're good with money?
No, like I don't have a lot of money. So I don't know if I'll be
You are
good
in
at
top 0.1% of this country
That's
by
true.
far. So don't think that you don't have a lot of money. और आप पैसा कमा रहे हो ना, आप किस लिए कमा रहे हो? ये कभी सोचा है आपने?
ताकि सरकार मेरा 30% ले ले.
it. मेरी शादी ना हो जाए. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a separate podcast.
But life may you want to reduce uncertainty.
Yeah.
And with a job like ours especially,
Yeah.
which is not a salaried sort of, it's very up and down. The best way to ease stress is reduce uncertainty. कि अच्छा चल 2 महीने कुछ ढंग का काम नहीं आया, I have money in the bank. The life goal eventually, ultimate, probably unattainable, is to be able to work on stuff that you only want to work on, not because you have to, just because you want to. Like I'll
Is
never
this
stop
also your
working.
goal?
It's just to move out and pay rent right now. I mean,
But
it's not very.
when you're younger, that's the case, right? Like at age 25, this was the goal.
I don't know. I want to earn it and then for the rest 20 years just spend the money that I've earned.
Correct. तो ये अगले एक साल का हम ये रख सकते हैं कि अगले एक साल में you want to be able to be at a financial place where you can move out and pay rent.
Yes.
Biswa, where do you want to be financially in 5 years? Let's put it defined. Where would you want to be?
Okay, so I have a little bit of theory on this.
Okay.
Is that you have to either you have 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs doesn't matter, right? Because it's the same lifestyle. To have a better lifestyle, you need to move to the bracket of 5 crores or like whatever 2 crores or whatever. Then you can have a better lifestyle.
Yeah.
So the goal is to upgrade lifestyle, not to.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
In 5 years, you want to upgrade. You want to compound to a point where you can upgrade your lifestyle.
Yes, basically upgrade the lifestyle.
Got it. KV?
So I consider myself to be someone who's very good with money.
Okay.
Let's start with.
You bottle your own farts and also like.
What are you doing on this podcast?
No. So this thing is very like I have an Excel sheet of like I have very basic like 50-30-20 rule of like need, want, and you would know this. Need, want, and investment.
He is vexed
That's
right now.
Yeah.
Seeing someone who has an Excel sheet.
He thought he would be the only one wearing a shirt, but
देखिए पैसों के बारे में अगर और जानकारी चाहिए, पैसा कैसे बनाएं, पैसे से क्या कर सकते हैं और पैसे के बारे में और क्या क्या जान
Now
सकते हैं,
emotional.
तो प्लीज क्लूलेस देखते रहे और लाइक करें
Excited.
और सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों से, क्योंकि यही है जिंदगी YouTube।